Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is adorn. It's pronounced a-dawn, and it is spelt A-D-O-R-N. Think add and then orn. Adorn means to make more beautiful or attractive. For example, you could say, beautiful artwork adorned the walls. Adorn comes from the Latin adornare, meaning equip, provide, furnish, decorate, or embellish. While adorn does not mean equip or provide today, it is similar to furnish, decorate, and embellish, as if you adorn something, you are doing something to make it more beautiful, such as decorating it. At Christmas, people often adorn their houses with Christmas lights and decorations to celebrate. The world record for the most lights adorning a house is currently held by the Gay family in the USA. In 2014, they set up a staggering 601,736 lights outside their house in New York. They certainly adorned their house for the festive season. Adorn is a verb, and therefore a doing word. For example, you could say, expensive crystal chandeliers adorned the ceiling of the ballroom. Adorn is defined in the dictionary as to add something decorative to a person or thing. Adorn's synonyms include embellish, decorate, furnish, ornament, enhance, garnish, and gild. Antonyms include strip, disfigure, mar, spoil, damage, and deform. See if you can notice anything adorning something today. It could be pictures or photos on the walls at home, or some nice accessories you might be wearing today. Either way, impress your friends and family by using your new word today, adorn. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus exam daily vocab.